Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum my dear viewers. I hope you are catching along with your former gleam and things are going in absolutely fantastic way. This is me Bilal Safi, your host for the day, having today another challenge of Excel Learners Academy. Lovely viewers, Excel is not the place which polishes your educational skills only. It's rather a place which provides a platform to all its students to explore their inner potentials and talents. So today I'm introducing you to another challenge of Excel Learners Academy. This time I'm not having a student here, but I'm having a teacher by the name of Adnan Ullah. So let's proceed towards him, let's know about him, where is he from and what does he do. Assalamu alaikum sir, and thank you very much for coming to our program and giving us your time.
Walaikum assalam sir Bilal. Thank you for giving me this honor. I am very pleased to be here. Thank you so much.
Well sir Adnan, may we know your brief introduction sir?
Yes, of course. Beautiful wishes from my side. I am Adnan, one of the instructors of Excel Learners Academy. We live on Ursak Road, and I've been teaching here for the last 1 year. And I found it as a trump of my luck to be a part of Excel Learners Academy. I'm really happy
That's
here.
great. MashaAllah Adnan sir, you have got such a cute introduction. Would you like to tell us about your educational background, what courses have you done and what are your future plans?
Yes, of course. Let me talk about my academic background. I've completed BA in Political Science from Government Degree College, Matra, Peshawar, and currently I am doing in the Department of Political Science, University of Peshawar.
Excellent.
And furthermore, if I talk about my English language, I have completed diploma in English language and studied many other courses. And to talk about my future plans, first I am focusing on my studying. As soon as I complete studying at university, then I will think about.
That's great sir. You have completed your bachelor and you have got more extensions. Sir, what do you think as you are under the umbrella of Excel Talent Program, and what would you say about this program?
Actually, this is the program and this is the talent. This is only for the talented students and for the teachers as well. Here we bring the students to speak in front of the camera, in front of the people, into the public. And I can say we do not polish only the linguistic skills of the students, but we also work on their personality. And that is why Excel Talent Program took a place to enhance the students' personality and communication skills and also the boldness they have.
Well sir, as you said that Excel has been working upon the challenge of the students and personalities, communication skills and leadership. Can you tell us about your experiences with Excel Learners Academy?
Yes, of course, I tell you that I have been teaching here for the last 1 year, and the experience I have got here as the management, which is led by our Managing Director Sir Safi, is a type of reluctant management, and which is very well. I can say it is very congenial. It's a congenial type of management, and it is very congenial to the staff members as well. And on the other hand, if you were talking about the staff members we have here, we got many talented teachers. Some of them are junior and some of them are senior. But nobody feels that I am a junior and I am a senior. And I cannot, even for the staff members, I cannot find a single words to describe them. And then, if we talk about the environment, Excel Learners Academy provides us with the best environment, and we have different types of seminar, especially for the growth of teachers, and we different types of tours are being arranged here for the students, also for the teachers. Like we have study tours. Recently, we had arranged the tours. I think it was a half a month ago. And if we talk about the curriculum and courses here, the curriculum and courses here we teach the students, they are completely and totally different from other institutes we have in Peshawar. If I can simply say that Ella wouldn't be Ella without this curriculum and courses. I can simply say Ella is a place where you can learn new things day by day, and in other words, Ella is a place where you will love to work and love to study. So I really appreciate it. I really like it. And once again, I am telling you, I found it at the top of my luck as a part of as a part of responsible staff.
Well sir, as we all know that everyone wants to be successful person in his or her life. What do you think? What is the thing one should do for being successful?
Actually, everyone wants to be successful in his or her life. But according to me, if one wants to be successful, he or she should trust himself and try to be confident enough. Because the most important thing is trust. If we do not trust ourselves, we cannot achieve our goals. And we have to focus on the goals we have in our life. We should not think about other people. Whatever other people say, that is not important for us. Whatever is important for us, that is our goals, right? That we work on it. And according to me, I think as much you are good, there will be a person criticizing you. So we should not go for other people, and we have to work hard. We have to put our hands in the sun for our goals to achieve. If we do the same things, if we do not focus on the people, and we just work hard for our goals, so I can simply say the day is not far away to get and achieve our goals.
Right, sir. I strongly believe in it, that trust is a must for success. Sir, as we are in the ending seconds of our program, what's your message to the viewers?
Actually, there are many things to speak on them with us, but through this short message, I can say in the days of speedy and competitive age, it has become must to be well versed in English language, and in the survival of battle, we come here to be recruited and to get recruited. So come on and join us. Let's go hand in hand together. We can make a change.
Well, sir, I really enjoyed your company, and thank you very much for coming to our program and giving us your time. Lovely viewers, this brings us to the end of the program, and I hope you enjoyed a lot and knew a lot about our talents. You can also be a part of Excel Talent program, so snag the opportunity as soon as possible and join the team of Excel Talent to have a splendid future. And thank you very much for watching us. Assalamu alaikum and goodbye.